Manas, how tough or difficult is it going to be for us to switch formats for currently?
For what?
एकदम
Switch.
चार्ज
I think, see, I said this before as well. You have to be prepared. But as a team of coming off our first ODI series victory. But having said that, it's a different format. So UAE has been playing good cricket as well. Just that we managed to play slightly better than them, and we managed to cross the line. About 2020 format. I think more used to that format of cricket. But still, we have to start all over again. I think everybody has to start.
हामी अब लास्ट लङ टाइमदेखि चाहिँ डोमेस्टिकली चाहिँ टी20 खेलिरहेको छ कतिको सजिलो हुन्छ
Obviously, it depends how well we adapt to conditions. Conditions are slightly different from what we get back home. But it all depends on player adaptability on that particular situation. Because international matches, there's a bit of a difference compared to, although we play franchise cricket, international cricket has a bit of extra pressure for sure, and that brings in an extra responsibility for the खेलाडीहरुको but having said that, I think we are well prepared. I think there's a good bubble. Team राम्रो एउटा confidence छ. And I just hope we can deliver that confidence into performance starting tomorrow.
ओडिआई टिममा चाहिँ लगभग टिमको दुईटै गेम हाम्रो जुन टिमको हालेको गेममा पनि हाम्रो एकदम इन्टेन्स थियो टिम सिलेक्सनलाई लिएर चाहिँ कतिको गाह्रो हुन्छ
Like good competition for sure. I think it's good to have that. I don't know. I think there are a lot of players who are standing up and given an opportunity. आफ्नो ठाउँको लागि भनौँ न आफ्नो पोजिसनलाई क्लेम गर्नको लागि दे पुटिङ इन गुड पर्फर्मेन्सेस सो त्यसले गर्दाखेरि विल गो एज पर वाट द सिचुएसन एन्ड भनौँ अब द पिचको अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ डिमान्ड अनुसारले नै विल बी सेलेक्टिङ प्लेयर्स एन्ड जस्ट द्याट विल बी गोइङ विथ आवर बेस्ट पोसिबल 11 इट्स सिम्पल एज द्याट देयर इज नथिङ द्याट वी वान्ट टु कम्प्रोमाइज एक्सेप्ट भनौँ न गेटिङ आवर बेस्ट प्लेयर्स टु प्ले इन द प्लेइङ 11
हाम्रो फर्मेट अनुसारमा ओडिआई र टी20 स्क्वाडमा डिफ्रेन्स चाहिँ हुँदैन
I think there should be differences for sure. We brought in 16 players. Due to different format, we want to use the players accordingly. So let's hope we get that experiment, if you can call it, right. It all depends how well the players adapt. And most importantly, I think as a team, we need to back each other up. It's as simple as that. No matter who plays, to playing 11, let's say, has to go in and put in the hard work and get that clinical performance.
50 ओभरमा चाहिँ भनौँ न हामीलाई इनिङ बिल्ड गर्ने टाइम मिलिरहेको हुन्छ होइन चेन्ज गरिरहेको छौँ अथवा डिफिन गरिरहेको छौँ भनेदेखि होइन त्यो सिचुएसनमा अब 2020 खेल्दाखेरि चाहिँ अलिकति रनको चाहिँ अर्जेन्सी चाहिँ अलिकति धेरै नै हुन्छ होइन युएको फास्ट बलरहरू उनीहरूको आफ्नो कन्डिसनमा खेल्दाखेरिको जुन पावर बलिङ गर्छन् होइन पावर प्लेमा त्यसमा अलिकति टफ देखिरहेको हुन्छ होइन ब्याटिङ गर्नुको लागि त्यो सिचुएसनलाई ट्याकल गर्ने केही प्लान छ कि
I think it's the format, Varun. I think you have to play positive for sure. 2020 is a bit different. 50 overs you can take your time. 2020 you have to go straight on. But having said that, I think it's about rotating the strike and getting those, waiting for that ball. So I think it's all about planning. I think you saw that in the last innings as well. UAE, the last 30-35 overs, they had very minimum score, but last 10-12 overs they really piled up the score. Even in 2020, even if you play the new ball properly. And then you can really build the innings. But having said that, you can do very well in the power play and again not do well in the middle overs. So I think it's a balance where we have to strike already attack garne or defense garne. So it will depend on individual players how they take it. I think some players have individual responsibility or role दिएको छ and it's just about sticking to your role and there's nothing more beyond that.
इतिहास हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ नेपालको स्ट्राटेजी यस्तो हुने छैन टुर्नामेन्ट होस् अब सिरिजमा पनि हाम्रो फर्स्ट टिम युज गऱ्यौँ अब कतिको प्रेसर छ सुरुमै अब राम्रो खेल्नको
I think very important. I think you cannot think कि पहिला के भयो भनेर सोच्यो भने अब के गर्न सक्छु भनेर सोच्नुपर्छ. I think as a team we are confident, but confidence मात्र हुँदैन. Once tomorrow भोलि 1 बजे जब म्याच स्टार्ट हुन्छ everybody has to start from scratch. I think it's equally the platform दुवै टिमको लागि उत्तिकै छ and just whichever team plays better, that team is definitely bound to win. I think both teams are very good sides, so it depends which team is more hungrier to go out there and push themselves. And right now, I feel the boys are looking in good shape, and let's just hope we can continue the momentum of ODI series.
Lately, नेपालको फिल्डिङ चाहिँ एकदम इम्प्रेस गरेको ओडिआई सिरिजमा कतिको इम्प्रुभ यो चेन्ज चाहिँ कसरी आएको
I think a lot of positive intake within the team. With our batting consultant, Umesh sir has been fantastic. He's been helping the team not only on the batting department, overall getting that confidence in the players. Plus, I don't know, there's a lot of interaction going on. Players are mapping ke garne kaso garne. So a lot of good positives. And like I said, it's a stage where we're trying to start a new culture within the team as well. हामी जुन तरिकाले पहिला क्रिकेट खेल्थ्यौँ त्यसलाई चाहिँ ब्रेक गरेर वी ट्राइङ टु कम्युनिकेट बेटर and have that better relation on the field, off the field, talk more about के गर्न सक्ने individually, what roles हरेक प्लेयरले गर्न सक्छ. त्यो सबले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ I think so far things have turned out to be good, but this last 3 matches, there's a long way to go ahead, but we believe we are in the right track and hopefully we can continue to do the same.
नेपालमा रिसेन्टली भएको 2020 टुर्नामेन्टमा खेलेको केही प्लेयरहरूले चाहिँ नेपालको चाहिँ ब्याट्सम्यानहरूमा चाहिँ पावर हिटिङको कमी देख्यो भनेको थिएँ होइन. यो पावर हिटिङ जुन छ त्यसलाई चाहिँ अब कति टाइम लाग्ला त यसलाई यो इस्युलाई रिजल्भ गर्नको लागि?
I think it's about power hitting is not only if you're well built or if you're strong. I think it's about timing, and I think we have seen players who are very small but very strong. So physically, yes, there's improvement that we need to make. I think we need to have stronger throws. We need to have stronger arms. Maybe we can. I mean, it's a young squad. I mean, everybody's pushing themselves, but we can definitely become fitter. The team go, if you look at the percentage, would probably be around 70-75%. So if we can, reach another 10-15% and hit around 85-90, strength-wise, fitness-wise, and overall, sabi garne ho bhane, I think. But the power game that we talk about, I think it's about, you hit the ball with the bat, it's as simple as that, and it's about getting that timing, and plus if you are stronger, you're fitter, you're bound to hit the ball harder. So hopefully we can manage that in the next couple of months, next 3 months.
Intently कस्तो रोल प्ले गर्छ 2020 मा?
I think intent is very key. That has to be the most important thing. It's not just about staying in the wicket, it's about scoring runs and how you score runs, which bowlers to attack, which bowlers to defend. And that's how cricket is, whether it's 50 or 2020, it's a mixture of both. I think as long as you're positive and you have the positive mindset, things will work out.
लेटली जो डेब्यू गरेको खेलाडी सन्दीप जोराको बोल्नु थियो फर्स्ट ओभरमै उसले चाहिँ अब बिग सट खेल्ने एउटा जुन कन्फिडेन्स थियो उसले चाहिँ अब T20 मा अब कस्तो देखिन्छ?
I think it's not only about Sandeep Zora, it's about the whole team. I think and given an opportunity, सबैजना कुरिरहेको छ त्यो अपर्च्युनिटीको लागि, so I think he managed to do well. To hit the 6 at that situation shows a lot of potential, a lot of guts. And I think he's shown that in domestic cricket as well from what we have seen. So I just hope if he gets to the playing 11, hopefully he'll deliver the same. And it just won't be on him. It will be upon all 11, all the remaining 5 that are not playing, plus the support staff as well. So सबैको मिश्रणले नै हामी एउटा राम्रो टिम बन्न सक्छौँ र I'm glad with the way the team is functioning right now. We're in this good bubble and results are something that will always be not under our control, but commitment wise everybody is pushing in. So as long as everybody puts in that commitment, I think results will also follow.
ओपनिङमा मात्र चेन्ज हो.
We'll see how it goes.
अब T20 ODI सिरिज जितेपछि फेरि एकपटक पूर्वाधारको खाँचोको कुरो पनि देखियो.
I think यो जहिले पनि हुने कुरा हो. नेपाल क्रिकेट जित्न साथ यो भएन त्यो भएन हुन्छ एक हप्तापछि सबै कुरा सेल हुन्छ. त्यसले गर्दा फर अस I think हाम्रो जिम्मेवारी भनेको to go out there and keep performing, and there are things beyond our control भनौँ न. बट अहिले राम्रो मेसेज चाहिँ गएको छ. जिम्मेवार व्यक्तिले जो जिम्मेवार पोजिसनमा हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरूले त्यो जिम्मेवारी लिनु पर्यो. एज प्लेयर्स हामी कोसिस गरिरहेको छौँ. वी आर नट द बेस्ट टिम, बट वी आर ट्राइङ टु बिकम अ गुड टिम. र त्यसले गर्दाखेरि अब टु बिकम द बेस्ट आई थिङ्क यु हेभ टु पुट इन लट अफ एफर्ट. अन द फिल्ड पर्फर्मेन्सेस मात्र हुँदैन. आई थिङ्क यु हेभ टु लुक इन टु द अदर साइड अफ लाइफ, अदर साइड अफ क्रिकेट एज वेल. एन्ड आई होप त्यो अदर साइड यदि सल्भ हुन्छ भने I'm sure with better facilities, better exposure, the team can definitely come up with better performances.